Hi there, Red Knight Band students. For your first assignment for the school year, after your welcome video, you're going to be working on this packet for a couple of days. It's really simple stuff once you get to figure it out, as it talks about the staff and how to read the staff and stuff like that. All right, so your first page kind of looks like this. I wrote a little note for you telling you about these videos that are up on Schoology and all. And as you notice, this is for flute, oboe, and saxophone, but I like everybody to try these out and work on these because they're very useful information. So if you turn the page, you'll see the reading notes, note reading basics section of the page. All right, and I'd like you to read through all of this so that you can see how we read the staff. You'll notice we really start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then we start over again. So it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all over again. Treble clef, all right, that's our nice little treble clef sign. We go from E all the way up to G to go above the line on our lines. Sorry, the whole thing rather. Spaces spell face, F-A-C-E, and our lines can be elephants go bouncing down freeways. All right, so use this section right here as a good little reference on that part for us. And then it talks about reading note names and rhythms, so read that section. And then note stems. Here's a very important thing as we begin music. You're going to see that note stems, that's this line right here, they can either go up or they can go down. All right, so if you see this note, which is a half note, and it's got the stem going up, it's the same thing as this half note with the stem going down. All right, so if we turn the page to page 3 essentially, okay, you'll see what you're doing here is you're going to be writing out the alphabet starting at a certain letter. Okay, so for example, you're going to go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then you're going to repeat going G back to A, okay, going all the way through D, C, E, F, going all the way through there, okay? So that's what that's looking for on there. Activity 2, without using the previous page, all right, you're going to go from E, F, G, A, B, all the way up, and then G, F, and then all the way down. Okay, and then in activity 3, okay, and I'm just gonna move the camera down just a little bit so you can see a little better there. Sorry about that. Okay, in activity 3, you'll see identify if a note is on a line or a space and write S for space, L for line. Okay, so this is a space. It's giving you an example, and then I'll give you an example. The next one is on what we call a line, and so if I can write it with my pencil, I'll write a L. Okay, and then activity 4, if is the second note within a measure. A measure is a unit of time in a music, all right, between a bar line, which is right here, and what could be another bar line. So this is a measure here. All right, is the second note higher or lower than the first note? So if we're looking here, it's higher on the staff, so we wrote an arrow here. Okay, looking at number 2, is it higher or lower? All right, the second note is lower on the staff, so we're going to write an arrow there. Okay, activity 5, write the note names on the space below each note. They gave us an example of G, Okay, you can look up here as your little guide and assistance helper if you are not sure what that is. You can count the third note line up, 1, 2, 3. Third line up here, 1, 2, 3 is B, so we write B for boy, okay? And we go all the way through. So try that one, okay? Activity 6, we're spelling words using the staff, okay? And so if we look here, okay, we have second space up. I know that's an A, okay? And then we go up here, and that's going to be, this is an F, that's going to be a G, that's on the other page for if you need to go back and look. And then we go here and F-A-C-E. So we have spelled age there with that word. So try number 2, 3, and 4 for that, okay? And then lastly on this section, activity 7, complete the sentence by spelling the note, name, word, okay? So the sentence is, did that vegan just eat an, and then we got to figure out what this word is. So this is going to be F-A-C-E, E-G, and then this is going to be another G, because if we look up there, we've already done that one. So the question is, did that vegan just eat an egg? Okay, and then we go through numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so I'd like you guys to work on to read page 2. Okay, once again, here's page 1, the front, the cover. I'd like you to read through page 2. Okay, and work on understanding this concept of we only use the first group of letters of the alphabet. Okay, the first 7 of the letters, then we repeat over and over again. Okay, note names and lines on the 5-line staff. Faces for spaces. Elephants go bouncing down freeways is for lines. Okay, reading note rhythms. Okay, just to get an understanding on how that looks. Okay, and then note stems can be either up or down. And then you are going through this page of the worksheet and then this page of the worksheet. Okay, and then when you're done with this section of the book, you're done for the worksheet part of the lesson for today. Okay, so once you hit flute, oboe, and saxophone, okay, reading music, just pause. Okay, you can go ahead and look through it if you like, see what's going on. That's perfectly fine, but if you want to go ahead, you can go ahead. If you don't want to, just wait for me to explain it. That's perfectly fine too. Thanks for watching this video. You'll see what's, and please work on what's left of the assignment for today. God's blessings.